Okay, so now I have everything that I need for the trip. It's all broken out. I went ahead and I got the ZAR currency from Currency Exchange, and they gave me a breakdown in small denominations so I can tip for services. They also, where I'm going, also accept cash, US dollars, so I'm going to have that as well. I've got an extra battery for my camera. I've got an extra SD card for my camera. And I'm going to go through what I actually have ready to go. I have carbon monoxide warning alarm. That's something I got on Amazon. I highly recommend that you don't put the battery in it until you're going to use it, because if you accidentally hit the button, it's a really loud siren, and that wouldn't go very well on the plane. I've got all travel size everything because I'm not checking my luggage. So I've got my sunscreen. I even have little mini packs of Tide because I'm not going to pack very much, and I can just do a load of laundry like in the sink or something at the hotel if I need to. I have all travel size of toothpaste so I can dispose of them as I'm going. I have an emergency Band-Aid and Neosporin kit. I have my face masks for the plane. I also got these handy dandy little mosquito repellent bands that you can put around your wrist and your ankle. They last about 4 hours each, so I have 6 because I'm going in the morning on the safari and in the evening. So 2 a day, 2, 4, 6. I'm going 3 days in a row. I have liquid IV in case I get dehydrated while I'm traveling. I have a couple of these packets because of traveling, and if I need to have a snack, I can wipe my hands. I've got all sorts of snacks. I've got protein bars. I mean, I'll be traveling for 3 days, so I might be eating on the go. That's what I'm preparing for. I also got flip-flops at the dollar store in case I need to shower in a public shower. I can wear this in the shower. I got my prescriptions and everything ready to go. I also got inexpensive reading glasses. I got 2 of them in case I lose one. They're not my expensive prescription ones, which I can't afford to lose. I also got really inexpensive sunglasses too. I think I might have told you in another video, and I might not have, but these are the outlet adapters. There are adapters for every country that you need, and Abu Dhabi and Dubai, which is where I'll be traveling through, take type G plug, and South Africa takes type C. So I printed the piece of paper from when I ordered it, and I labeled them according to the country that I'll need them. But yeah, and I got an extra one because I will have more than one thing to charge. So that was something you absolutely need. What else? I have my clothes. I'll just show you all of my stuff ready to go. Not sure if I'll have room to take this hat, but I might. It's soft and squishy, easy to pack. And then I have this because it's going to be cold and I need the wide brim for the sun. So that's the situation. I'm getting ready to do a dry run and packing. I've got my comfortable socks, and I have my jacket that I'm going to wear on the safari. This is what I'm going to wear on the plane, so I won't have to pack it. The idea here is to not pack a lot. So it looks like a lot on my bed, but I'm going to do like a dry run of packing to make sure I have room for everything. I also got this collapsible backpack so that I can take this on the safaris themselves. And this will go right into my suitcase so I don't have to worry about, taking anything bigger for the day trips that we're going to take. So I think that's it for now. The most important thing is that I did get the ZAR currency. I went to the currency exchange to do that. And I had to go order the currency first. And then I had to drive back down to pick it up. So that's something you have to plan as well. I also got luggage locks for my backpack, for the zippers, and for my suitcase. Of course, the water bottle. And I think I might have already talked about this before, but I also got this filtration straw, and it basically filters any water that I need to drink, like from a faucet at the airport or anything, to make sure that it's filtered properly. So everything's been ordered. I have all my prescriptions just in case. Now I just need to throw it all together, and I have 2 suitcases to choose from. They're both pretty much the same size, but they're pretty small. So, yeah. Oh, and one more thing. I got my wristband. It's more difficult to rip it off of my wrist if that happens. It's a Velcro, and so I'm going to turn the face in and have my long sleeve shirt over it. I already sprayed all of my clothes with DEET. I did that last week because it takes about 2 hours to dry the clothes. I did front and back. I've got my hiking boots. I'm pretty much ready to go. I might show you the final packed version, but other than that, just stuff around my house I have to prepare for. Because I live in Florida, I am going to shutter up my property because there might be a hurricane, God forbid. But I won't be here to shutter up, so I'll do that before I go. Turn the water off, the air conditioning up. I emailed myself my travel itinerary as well as emergency phone numbers. I made a Xerox copy of my credit cards front and back, so I have that in case I need to contact the credit card company in the event that they might get stolen or something like that. Anyway, 1 week from today, I go. And I will be vlogging as I travel in private. I'm not going to bring my phone out in public, and won't have any jewelry either, as we talked about. Okay, getting excited.